Are you ready to finally master lead distribution in Kvcore and turn those potential clients into closed deals? First, navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section on your Kvcore dashboard. This is the control center for all your automation. Next, click on the Lead Routing tab. Here's where the magic happens. This area allows you to define specific rules for how leads are automatically assigned. Now, hit the Add Rule button to create your first lead flow automation. This will open a new window where you can define your criteria. Here, you'll set your rules triggers, choose the lead source, like Zillow or your website, the lead type, such as buyer or seller, and any other criteria that matches your business needs. The most important part is the agent assignment section. You can assign leads to a specific agent, distribute them in a round-robin fashion among a team, or even base it on zip code or other custom criteria. Once you've configured your rule, double-check everything to ensure accuracy, and then click Save. Your lead flow is now active and ready to convert leads for you. Now you can start taking advantage of Kvcore's automation. Like this video and subscribe to stay up to date with Kvcore tips.